Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a charged battery pack, small screwdriver set, and lint-free cloth. These avoid damage. First, remove the 3 visible screws on the detector housing. Do this slowly so clips don't snap. Once open, inspect the cable routing and connector orientation. You must note which way the connector faces. Make sure to photograph the wiring for reference. This prevents incorrect reassembly. Next, power off the device and disconnect the battery before touching any circuit or the coil connector. Now you diagnose the core issue by checking the coil connection and circuit. Start by visually inspecting pins for corrosion. Clean with 90% isopropyl and a soft brush. Let dry. Then measure coil continuity with a multimeter. A functional coil typically reads between 20 and 90 ohms, depending on model. If continuity is good, reseat ribbon cables and ensure latch engages. Apply a tiny amount of dielectric grease to metal contacts to prevent future corrosion. If you find a broken trace, plan solder repair or connector replacement. Reassemble by reversing removal. Align housing halves, tighten the 3 screws evenly so the seals sit flat, do not over-tighten. Reconnect the battery and power on. Once booted, recalibrate sensitivity and threshold according to the in-game prompts, because precise settings restore detection range. Test using known targets and walk patterns to confirm consistent responses. If the detector still acts intermittent, swap batteries first. If problem persists, replace the ribbon cable or coil connector. That repair usually fixes signal drops. If not, consider a full coil replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.